How to use CashApp. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use CashApp, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, using CashApp is very simple because it is a very user-friendly application and is one of the most popular in the United States and the United Kingdom. If you want to use CashApp, all you have to do is first of all open up CashApp. Now this is assuming that you've already went ahead and then created an account. I'm not going to cover that because the process is going to take too long. If you don't know how to create an account or log into the account, then we've also already made a dedicated video on that. Once you launch CashApp, by default you're going to see this type of green interface, which is normally the dollar icon that you see over here. This is a page which you can use to send and receive money, as well as also request money. Yes, you can request money on CashApp. So first of all, let's say you're on this page, right? I'm just going to start from this page directly. Let's say I want to send, let's say $100 to my friend. I'm going to select that. Make sure USD is selected, which means my default currency, or I can just select Bitcoin, but I'm not going to do that for now. Then I can just choose the pay button to pay to a specific person, or I can choose the request button to request to a specific person. So if I tap the pay option here, I can simply enter the cash tag of the other person that I want to send the money to here. Once I enter the cash tag of the other person that I want to send the money to, I can just view their profile or tap the confirm button over here, then add a note, then tap the pay button to do so. Then I can come back. If I want, I can also choose to request the money to a specific someone. If the other person accepts it, the money is going to be deposited into my account. This is the home page, which is to send and receive money. Now let us get started with the first page over here, which is our home page. Now there are many things over here. Most likely you'll be able to see your Cash App balance. If you want to add cash to Cash App, you can tap on the add cash button, enter the dollars worth of cash that you want to add, such as the bank account, and deposit money into your Cash App account, or you can also choose to cash out money to your cash card. If you have any savings such as fixed deposit, you can do that. You can also file your taxes. You can even buy Bitcoin and then start trading on Cash App. Now this might not be available in all regions. If you're in the UK, then this might not be available for you, but for US customers or users, you'll most likely find the buy Bitcoin option. And if you can even invest in stocks, so you can see the Apple stocks, the Tesla, the Coca-Cola stocks. You can buy any of the stocks that you wish, even for $1, and then you can start investing in it. You can see recurring deposits. The other one is the cash card. Now cash card basically means like a normal debit card that you have of your bank as well, that you can use to make transactions online. You can apply for a cash card by tapping the get free cash card on this one. I've already talked about this, so I'm going to skip that. This is a search button where you can simply add contact to your Cash App account, and you can do many things over here. This one is basically our activity tab. You'll be able to see all the transactions of a Cash App account. Now most likely you'll find the profile icon from the top right. If you tap the profile icon, these are your personal settings. The first is your Cash App profile picture, the Cash App profile name, the cash tag which people can use to send money to you. You can add a profile photo, you can add an email address, the phone number, and so on. You can switch to a business account or a personal account if you want. You can add and link your bank account by tapping the link debit card, making sure to link your accounts. You can add a security and such as two-step authentication or Cash App PIN, or you can just tap the family option to invite family to your Cash App account, or you can increase your limits by seeing the send and limit option here. And then here you can see the support, notifications, and documents respectively. And hope I covered as much basic as possible as to how you can begin using Cash App account. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.